Welcome to Drones on Steroids. The wild side of drones starts here. What if I told you drones are no longer just cool flying cameras, but the next layer of the internet in the sky? They're changing filmmaking, inspections, agriculture, racing, search and rescue, basically anything that involves seeing, moving, or measuring in three-dimensional space. Welcome to Drones on Steroids, your go-to channel for the wild side of drones. We're here to entertain, educate, and keep you updated with the latest developments in the drone world. New technology, insane builds, epic flights, drone news, tips, reviews, and some honest, no-nonsense real talk about what's changing fast in the industry. If you're a beginner trying to get confident, a pilot leveling up your skills, or a full-on drone addict who loves speed, precision, and pure airtime, you're in the right place. Here's the idea behind this channel. We're going to treat drones like both a sport and a science. On one side, there's the adrenaline, the performance, the flight dynamics, the creativity, the how did they even pull that off moments. On the other side, there's the method, the principles, the systems, the decision-making that separates random flying from truly skilled flying. So you'll hear me use a few academic-sounding words sometimes like first principles thinking, workflow optimization, risk management, or operational awareness. But don't worry, we're not turning this into a lecture. The goal is simple. Take complex drone topics and make them clear, practical, and actually useful, without wasting your time or hiding behind jargon. We'll cover the stuff everyone wants to know and the stuff most people ignore until it bites them. We'll talk about the latest tech and what it really means in real-life camera systems, batteries, motors, sensors, signal links, autonomous features, AI tools, and what's genuinely worth paying attention to versus what's just marketing hype. Beginner mistakes. How to tune your settings so your footage looks expensive, and how to build habits that keep you safe and consistent. We'll do honest reviews and buyer guidance so you don't waste money chasing the wrong drone for your goals. And yes, we'll absolutely do the fun stuff too. Epic flights, challenges, experiments, and builds that push performance, efficiency, and capability, because drones should be exciting, not boring. But there's something bigger happening, and it's worth saying out loud. The drone world is accelerating. Technology is improving fast, and that's exciting, but it also means the rules, the expectations, and the public perception are changing too. So knowing how to fly is one thing. Knowing how to fly smart is the real advantage. We're going to stay on top of the industry shifts, the practical realities, and the trends that affect pilots and creators. That includes updates that matter, not noise, what's changing, why it matters, and what you should do about it. And I don't want this to be a one-way channel. This is a crew. A committed community of people who want to fly better, build smarter, stay informed, and still have a damn good time doing it. So I want you to jump into the comments and tell me what you fly or what you want to buy and what you're here for. Cinematic footage, FPV, tech, business, or just the thrill of it. Tell me what you want covered this month, because I'll use your requests to steer the content. No gatekeeping here. No, trust me, bro. Just clear explanations, real testing, and honest conclusions that help you improve. So if you're into drones for creativity, speed, adventure, problem-solving, or pure curiosity, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Because Drones on Steroids is about flying with skill, confidence, and a little bit of controlled chaos. Welcome to the channel. Now let's fly.